The 2026 Toyota HiAce 16-seat model is designed around one simple idea: moving people efficiently, comfortably, and reliably. For commercial operators, shuttle services, hotels, tour companies, schools, and large families, the HiAce offers a practical combination of passenger capacity, durability, and everyday usability. The exterior maintains the HiAce's familiar commercial van character, with a tall body, large windows, sliding doors, and a practical layout. Its boxy shape is not designed primarily for sporty styling, but it provides excellent interior space and makes loading passengers easier. The elevated driving position can also give the driver a commanding view of the road. Inside, the 16-seat configuration focuses on passenger capacity while maintaining a functional cabin. Multiple rows of seats allow the vehicle to transport a large group, while the tall roof provides useful headroom. Depending on the market and trim, buyers may have access to air conditioning, comfortable upholstery, modern infotainment, USB connectivity, and other convenience features. For commercial use, reliability is one of the HiAce's biggest attractions. Toyota has built a strong reputation for producing vehicles designed to handle demanding daily use, and the HiAce is widely associated with long-distance transportation and commercial service. Engine availability can vary by market, with different gasoline and diesel configurations offered depending on region. A diesel version can be particularly useful for commercial operators because of its strong low-speed torque and suitability for carrying passengers over long distances. Exact horsepower, torque, fuel economy, transmission, and US availability should be confirmed through official Toyota information. Safety is another important consideration. Depending on specification and market, the HiAce can offer features such as automatic emergency braking, lane assistance technology, adaptive cruise control, parking sensors, and other driver assistance systems. The 16-seat HiAce is not intended to be a luxury SUV or a performance vehicle.